Hello, you amazing little fellows! So, today I decided to start a new series of movies called the Move Around Challenges. And basically, the point is for you to have fun with your body while improving your mobility and your overall skills. Um, some of the challenges will be based on a method that I recently took interest in called the Portal method. Uh, and if you don't know Ido Portal, I will give you some links in the description for you to explore because I really think he's interesting and his ideas are really cool and really new to me. And if you don't know me, you don't know me. If you don't know him, go check it out. Maybe you'll have some fun, and that's the point. Let's have some fun. Challenge number 1.
Rachamaid go dere leis a dúla man gwela. Sciano muid brog a dire a dúla man gwela. Dúla man na binne bui dúla man gwela. Dúla man na farige dar vi nirin. Hanin pido shin na na fini.
Hello again. I hope you enjoyed the challenge. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, don't give a thumbs up. Don't be a liar. Okay, that being said. Yes, I'm telling you, go move around while I'm here laying in my comfortable bed. That's life. Okay. I'm going to stop talking now.